Hello everyone, welcome to Go Campus. Are you aiming for NEET-PG 2026? Now we all know NEET-PG is one of the most competitive medical exams in India. Maybe this is your first attempt, or maybe you've already attended the classes, you've finished all the question banks and spent countless hours preparing for your NEET-PG exam. But despite all that effort, when the results came out, you still didn't know what went wrong. Was it your strategy? Was something wrong with your study plan, or not having an expert to clear your doubts or to give you feedback or to track your progression and tell where you're doing right, where you're doing wrong? You wished there was someone to talk to, a mentor who actually understood your unique struggles and could offer you real personalized guidance. Now, we've seen this with doctors worldwide. For years, Go Campus has helped aspirants crack USMLE, UKMLA, that is PLAB, Australia AMC exam, and DHA, DOH, Dubai, Abu Dhabi. This has always been through personalized virtual mentorship. So, Go Campus World's now NEET-PG preparation plan, this is not a replacement for your regular classes or Q banks. This mentorship is about giving you what you're truly seeking: the direction, structure, supervision, feedback, strategy, and individual attention during your preparation for the NEET-PG exam. And now, after the recent NEET-PG results were out on high demand, we are excited to launch for the very first time one-on-one long-term mentorship for NEET-PG exam preparation. It's not generic teaching. Now there is no shying away from asking your doubts because it's a personalized session between you and the mentor, and there is no fear of being judged. It's just you and your subject mentor reviewing your strategy, tracking your progress, and resolving your toughest questions or queries with a structured study roadmap designed exclusively for you. Now, this is your demand. Since the NEET-PG results came out, these are the requests that we've been getting from doctors, and we are here with the solution. So more details will be shared soon on all our social handles. So do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube, follow us on Instagram, and please do visit gocampusworld.com to stay updated on this. Your NEET-PG journey deserves a personal roadmap, and we are here to help you achieve it. All the very best to all the doctors preparing for NEET-PG 2026.